videos, you'll see things moving, you'll see a bright light going through the swoosh up there. It gives you the sense that there's activity in the background. It doesn't take out the capability of me doing marking selections. I can still do words while things are moving. You know, things are moving. I can pull up a Word document. How do you make your own? That's a good question. So, you're right. Actually, you can actually even use your own video. Which, for example, so we support WMD and FX. So, as an example, I want to watch a picture of my son practicing, see nature move, and I still do that.